Hello guys, today I have here with me an Infinix Smart 9, right? So in this video, we are going to be unboxing this Infinix Smart 9, and also we are going to be learning how to hard reset this Infinix Smart 9. And at the end of the day, we'll also learn how to bypass the FRP, both with unlock tool software and without a PC. So stay tuned. So as you can see, this is the Infinix Smart 9 HD, and the model number is Infinix X6532C, right? And we have it in different colors. This is the silver color, and as you can see, the device has two double cameras at the back, two flashlights also, and the volume button and the power button is also located on the right side of the device. Meanwhile, the SIM slot is located on the left side of the device. The device uses two double SIM and a memory card, and it is also using a Type-C charging system. On the right side of the device is the speaker, and this is the mouthpiece port, and here is the earpiece port. So now in this video as well, I want to show you how to hard reset this device whenever you forgot your screen lock or your passcode or your fingerprint. You can follow this method to hard reset the device. So the next thing is when you open the box, you get to find the charger. This is the charger adapter, which is a high quality charger adapter, and you find the SIM ejector as well. The receipt also you should get a receipt after you buy the device, and this is the charger, and here is the earpiece as well. So as you can see, everything is intact, all right, inside the box. So the next thing is how to hard reset the device. So if you want to hard reset the device, it is very simple. First of all, you need to turn off the device. Now the device is turned off completely. Then the next thing is to hold the volume up button. You hold it this way, then you power on the device. Once you see the Infinix, then you release your hand from the power button and you keep holding the volume up button. Now you will see this no command. Then you hold the power button and immediately press the volume up. So let's try it. Then the device will now boot into recovery mode. So this is what we call recovery mode. The next thing now is to scroll down and come to the wipe data factory reset. So you will need the side button to scroll down. Then you use the power button to select. Then you use the volume down to select factory data reset. Use power to select. Then you see the progress down here. You can see the wipe data is complete. Then the next thing is to reboot the system now. Just use the power button to reboot the system, and the device will boot back to the main menu. So once the device boots back to the main menu, then now you can set up the device. If you know the Google account, you sign into the Google account. If there is no Google account on your device, then you are good to go. But if there is a Google account on your device and unfortunately you have forgotten the Google account, then you should make sure to watch my next video, because I don't want to make this video too long. So watch out for my next video, and I will show you how you can fix the Google account lock both with a PC and without a PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment. We'll continue this conversation in the comment section for now. Thank you guys for watching.